Hello there my lovely viewers, how are you? I know I am back on my channel after such a long time. I am here on your request. Many of you have requested me to upload more videos about pedagogy exam. First of all, I want to congratulate all those teachers who passed the TLS pedagogy exam in the very first attempt. You have given me positive feedback in the form of your emails or comments on my channel, and you told me that these videos have really helped you. At least you got the hang of it, that how to remove the distractors and how to answer the question. Of course, practice makes a man perfect, and I know it really helped you. I am really humbled to know that, and I am very happy to know that you passed in the very first attempt. Okay. Second question, many of you have asked me in the emails that they want to know my name. Well, here is a brief intro. My name is Sunila. I am from Pakistan. I am teaching here in Abu Dhabi for the last 16 years. I teach O-level students for the IGCSE Edexcel board, and I also did my masters in English literature. Then I did CELTA from British Council Abu Dhabi. So this is a brief intro about myself. And another viewer asked me a question that she failed in the first attempt. Now how many chances does she have? Don't worry, first attempt is just a trial. You get to know what are the intricacies of the exam, to what level you need to prepare, to what extent you can get some topics which are not mentioned in the pedagogy guide, and this is how you should prepare. So, you know, don't worry, it is a kind of opportunity that you got. No matter you failed, it is a kind of big disappointment, but second time when you appeared, you are prepared 10 times more, because you are very cautious and conscious that this time you have to pass. So, you make extra effort, you go an extra mile, and you explore all the avenues that okay, I should prepare for this topic, that topic, I should practice quizzes and these questions. So, there is no scope of failing in the second attempt, because you are already well aware that these are the topics that can come, these are the types of questions that we can get, and this is how we should cope up with time. So, don't worry at all, you will pass in the second attempt. Also, somebody asked me that guide us about ECD. I think if you are a KG1 or KG2 teacher, that means you do not have to appear for the pedagogy exam. You have a separate exam for early childhood development. I do not have a lot of information about it, but when I inquired my friends who are working in the primary section, all I came to know is that teachers who are cycle 2 teachers who are taking grade 2 or grade 3 classes in the primary section, they had to appear for the pedagogy exam as well. So, these videos are applicable to cycle 2 and cycle 3 teachers. For cycle 1 teachers, there is an exam ECD. About pedagogy, I am not very sure about it, but I will do my research and let you know about that. And also, I want to tell you, there is a viewer, she emailed me right after the exam, the day she had the exam on, and she told me that she is heartbroken, and the reason is that she had prepared so much, she had collected a lot of notes, she had gone through all my notes as well that I shared with her, and she had gone through the videos, and she said she even made notes from my videos. So, she said that after giving the exam, I am not very sure that I am going to pass, but when I got the feedback from her, the way she told that she had gone through all the notes that I sent her, she had even made notes from my videos, and she had also collected notes on her own, and she said, I struggled a lot, I studied a lot, but after giving the exam, I am not confident. So, just after knowing about her extent of preparation, I replied her that there is no way that she is going to fail, because she has gone an extra mile and she has made so much of preparation. Of course, for few questions we are not sure, but maximum questions would be correct, and I assured her the very same day by knowing about her extent of preparation. I told her, don't worry at all, you will pass for sure, because this happened with me as well and many of my friends as well. We gave our blood, sweat and tears to this exam, we prepared like anything, and when we came out of the examination room, on the test day, we were baffled, we were shattered, and we thought that, oh my God, this question was not there, this topic was not given in the TLS pedagogy guide, then how come they included it, this concept was not there, this topic was not there. But we knew that we had answered maximum questions in the correct way, we knew that our answers were correct. So, somehow there was a ray of hope that we are going to pass, but nobody is sure. But successfully, majority of my friends including me, all of us passed the exam. So, I ensured her as well, and I came to know through email that she passed the exam. So, I had already told her that the kind of preparation that she had done, she would pass. So, the bottom line is that if you think that by making nominal preparation you think you can pass the exam, it cannot happen. You need to give your blood, sweat and tears to this exam. It is a Herculean task. It is not easy. If you think that by just revising your notes one day before the exams or 1 week before the exams you can make it happen, no, it will not happen. So, to save yourself from appearing for taking the panic of appearing for the exam second time, it is better you devote maximum of your time as soon as you get your dates confirmed. Prepare for your exam, start your preparation, leave all the other tasks aside and devote maximum time, and do not think that you can prepare a few topics and skip a few topics and just go through the main things in all the standards. It will not happen. You have to go prepare thoroughly about each and every topic. Practice the concept, you should know the concept. Once you know it, you can answer any sort of question, and then practice quizzes as well, and there is no way that you won't pass the exam. Also, I have a good news for you that I told all my viewers who were going to appear for this exam to note down the topic after the exam which they got, so that I can make videos about them and I can make you people aware that these were the topics that the recent most batch has got. The batch who is going to appear in the month of June can benefit from this. So, stay tuned, stick around with me on my channel, I will be helping you a lot. And also I have a good news for all those people who requested me to upload videos about subject specialization exam. So, today I am going to upload a video about subject specialization exam for English. It is applicable and helpful to teachers who are taking grade 3 to grade 12 classes. So, stay tuned, stick around with me and benefit from my channel. And also there is a humble request that 1000 people watched a video, but few only hit the like button, but it is very important for my stability on YouTube. I am quite new on YouTube and I really need your help and support. So, please click the like button for this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the coming videos as well. I wish you the very best of luck. If you need any help, let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely answer your questions. So, till next video, take care.